Good afternoon. We're here today in Petrolia, Ontario. It's fall. It's a little cold. You might see my breath in the air. So we're doing a 300 square foot roof over a commercial property. We'll show you. You can see behind it, all the stone has been swept. There was some detailing around the corner. They had some wooden stairs that have been taken away. So I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. We have some wall details, as well as a eavestrough at the side. We also have a vinyl siding detail there, a wall detail in the back, and a perimeter detail. So there we go. We got the stone has been swept. The roof is prepped and ready for new substrate. We'll put the black asphaltic board down. We'll also put some peel and stick and a cap sheet. We got some side details here as well as an eavestrough detail. Hope you like it. Hope you learned something. I will show you how the process goes. Maybe you can try it at home for yourself. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We've prepped the deck and now we've fastened a 1/8" asphaltic board. We fastened that down. We've primed it. Now it's ready for the new peel and stick base sheet. We're going to lay it out and overlap it in a shingle fashion towards the eavestrough at the end. So we'll show you what it looks like, how we put it on. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. The job's done. I think the client's going to be thrilled. It really turned out nice. Remember, this was a pretty rough roof to begin with. We got it cleaned off, new substrate, new base and cap. Go ahead and take a look. The roof has a wonderful slope, so there's no worry about ponding water and stuff. We got the water collecting at the end and jumping off the roof. So anyway, hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.